So good evening, everyone. Can you hear me all? All of you, can you hear me? Yeah, great. Uh, so let me introduce myself. I am Amit, and I am a trainer for this course. And here I will going to take this whole sessions on this Google Cloud Computing. And basically, I'm having an experience of 5 years, and I'm working in a Google as a data engineer. With that, I take a classes on Google clouds as well as AWS and various cloud data science technologies. So we're going to do the same. I am going to deliver the GCP cloud courses, cloud computing to you, and I will explain you how company can use this Google Cloud technologies in doing the projects. So let's start about it. Meanwhile, please mute everyone. So let's start about it. What is the cloud? Actually, we're going to see everything about this cloud. What is cloud? How we use it, right? So let's start about it. So see, cloud means virtualization. Actually, cloud computing means a virtual cloud. Virtual cloud in the sense, first of all, we need to understand what is cloud. Cloud is actually a network that is provide you the services. Network means like where you can use the service